Eyewitness News in high definition.
You'll remember back in March, Fire Captain Pete Dern suffered major injuries after falling through a roof while putting out a blaze. Well, next week is your chance to help in his recovery with a motorcycle ride through Fresno. Right now we're joined by Fresno Fire Chief Carrie Donis and retired Clovis Fire Chief Mark Aston to tell us more about this. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for joining us.
You.
First, we want to ask, how is Pete Dern doing this morning?
Pete's doing good. He's recovering. He had a major surgery on Friday, kind of carried over into Saturday morning, but he's doing really good. His spirits are high, and he's recovering every day. He's a battler.
High spirits is probably the most important thing as you kind of look ahead to this long road to recovery. So we're so happy to hear that. I know a lot of folks have been praying for him and thinking about him, and now this is actually a good chance because now other people can get involved through this ride.
Absolutely.
Tell us about it.
Well, on June 6th, we'll be meeting at the Riverview Shopping Center at Friant and in Fort Washington, and we'll be heading out on a run making 5 car draw stops and ending in Friant. An opportunity for all the motorcyclists and bikers in the area to come out. We're having folks that we know are coming from as far south as LA, north up toward the Redding area and the Bay Area. So we've got a tremendous amount of support for Captain Dern. It's a great opportunity for us to show Captain Dern that we care about him and firefighters in general, that we're behind him. It's going to be a tough year for firefighters.
Is that surprising to you to hear that his name is spread that far across the state, support is coming in?
You know, it really doesn't surprise me. And the fire family is not just Fresno Fire. It extends, you know, it has no barriers, or no boundaries rather. And so we're just really tickled that Chief Aston is going to help put this together in Pete's name, and I'm sure the family is going to be very appreciative, and all the support in the community has been overwhelming.
And it is really going to be easy for folks to get involved. How can they?
Absolutely. You go to our website, Shadowcasters.com. You can register on the website and to ride with us, or you can show up at the start point there at Riverview Shopping Center at 8 o'clock in the morning, and we'll register you then. Also, if you can't ride, you want to participate, you can do a donation on the website, and the proceeds are going to Pete's family, and it's all about helping the Derns.
I know your goal is several $1,000s. I'm sure you guys are going to have no problem raising that with the community's support.
Absolutely. We have been out for the 5 past weeks every day trying to share the information about the run to get the community to come out and support. There's every motorcyclist that we talk to has known about it, asked about them, sincerely and concerned. So we're looking forward to a lot of folks turning out and us being able to do a good donation for Pete.
That sounds awesome. And how do you think that this is going to impact his recovery?
Pete's overwhelmed, and so is his family, with the support and support on events like this. So they're going to be really pleased by this, and just very, very grateful.
That is very neat and a great idea. So that's coming up on June 6th, folks. If you want to get involved, you just show up to that starting point or go online. It's Sierra Shadowcasters is the organization behind it, and their website is right there on your screen. Thank you so much both for joining us, and have fun next weekend. We'll be right back after this.